Okay, welcome back to Maths Digest. Now we're looking at um the question that involves you doing both addition and subtraction. Okay, now find the missing figure if the addition is in base 4, and this is what the first number, this is the second number. Now this asterisk here means that what there should be a number, that added with this ones for us to give this. Remember, this is addition. Okay, now if you know in your normal mathematics, if they say 5 plus 4 plus a number is equal to 18, what you actually do is what you add these two. Okay, when you add these two, you minus it from what, from this 18, and you now get the variable, that's the unknown. Okay, so the same thing is going to apply in this. We're going to apply the same thing here. Okay, now what we do is this. We say we take the addition of these two numbers. Okay, if we take the addition of these two numbers, we have if we have 1 0 1 2 2 minus the addition of this number, which is 1 3 0 2 plus 1 2 3. Okay, now what we do is this. We say this plus this will give you what? Will give you 5. And since we are operating in base 4, so you say 5 divided by 4. Okay, 4 divided 5 will give you 1 remainder 1. Okay, 1 remainder 1. So we have what? We have 1. Okay, now we carry this one now, add it to what? To this 0, it becomes what? 1. 1 plus 2 will give you 3. Now we have 3. 3 divided by 4 will give you what? 0 remainder 1. Remainder 3 rather. 0 remainder 3. Okay, now we have what? We take our remainder 3 and write it here. Now this 0, you take it to what? To 3. It's still the same 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So we have 4 divide itself. We have what? 0 remainder. We have 1 remainder 0. Sorry. Okay, now from here we say what? We take this remainder, we call it 0, and we have it here. Now from here we take this one and add it to this. Okay, if you remember, this is only for 3 numbers and this is 4. Okay, when you add this one here, we have 2. Now what you do is say 2 divided by 4, that will give you 0 remainder 2. Okay, 0 remainder 2. So quickly you write what? 2 here, and we ended up with 0 here. Okay, now from here, what this means now that is we're going to work with this. So we say 1 0 1 2 2 minus this. That will give you what? If you remember how we did the subtraction side, so what we do is let's just write it like this: 1 0 1 2 2, then 2 0 3 1. Okay, for clarity. Now pay attention. This is minus 4 in base, minus in base 4. Okay, so we are minusing out now. So this minus this will give you what? 1. So we have 1 divided by 4. We have what? 0 remainder 1. Okay, so we write your remainder here 1. Now we go again. We say 2 minus 3. It's not possible. So what we do, we come here, we pick what? We pick the 1. When we pick 1 here, what will remain here is what? Is 0. Okay, now that one we picked here is what? Because we are operating in base 4, we call it 4, and add it to these 2, it becomes 6. 6 minus 3 will give you what? 3. So we have 3 divided by 4. So that will give you what? 0 remainder 3. Okay, so quickly we write that what? 3 here. Now if you remember, this is now 0. So 0 minus 0 is what? Is 0. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0. So 4 divided 0 will still give you what? 0. Now coming to this side now. Okay, 0 minus 2 It's not possible, right? So what you do, you come here and pick this one here, and this now reduced to what? 0. This one coming here now will be what? Will be 4. So 4 plus 0 will give you what? 4. 4 minus 2 will give you what? Will give you 2. So we have 2 divided by 4. 0 remainder 2. So we have what? 2 here. Now, because we have ended up in 0 here and there's no number again outside 0, so this becomes what? Our final answer in base 4. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we understand this. So, what that means is this number is what is missing here. Okay. All right. Thank you.